Hello and welcome back to Avyann ChatFlow. In the last video, we learned how to create your account on avyannchatflow.com. In this video, we'll see how to activate your subscription plan. Log into your Avyann ChatFlow account using your registered email or WhatsApp number and password. The available plans will be displayed automatically after you log in. Review the available plans and select the one that best fits your business requirements. Next, choose your preferred billing cycle. You can subscribe on a monthly or yearly basis. After selecting your plan, choose your preferred payment method and proceed to the secure payment page. Please wait while your payment is being verified. Once your payment is successfully verified, your subscription will be activated automatically and all the selected services will become available in your account. That's it. Your Avyann ChatFlow subscription is now active and you're ready to start using all the features included in your selected plan. Thank you for choosing Avyann ChatFlow.